Welcome back to the channel, everybody. I'm Trevor with Maker Experiment, and today we are going to be making our first project on the Epilog ASCENT. Let's get into it. I'm going to be doing a project that I've been wanting to do for a while, which is basically a leather keychain that is held together by a rivet. I haven't actually used rivets before, so we're going to try that out for the first time. I've heard it's super simple, and I don't think it'll take more than maybe 5 minutes to actually do the project. Before this project, I'm going to be using some leather conditioner to help clean up the leather after I laser cut it. I am going to be using the laser to actually cut out the leather, the key ring that I'm going to be using, and then the rivet kit. I'm also going to put a link to where I got the design from because I did not make this design myself, so be sure to check out the description for that as well. I'm actually not going to show any of the computer stuff because it is super simple. I will put the settings that I use in the description as well if you want to cut this type of leather. But let's go ahead and get started. Here are the cut pieces. I'm just going to clean them up from the laser with some leather conditioner. It just helps get any marks off of it. And then we'll install the hardware. Now we're ready to attach the keychain. So I'm going to slide this one over. You're going to need the keyring, the rivet, and then the rivet tools in order to secure it. There is no glue with this. You just take the key ring, slide it over the end that has the cut, and then slide the rivet through the middle hole like that. Then we're going to take the key ring part, slide it on the other end, fold that over, put that over the rivet as well. Put the cap on, push it down. We're going to get the rivet set tools together. Make sure you're using the concave part and then tap it down. And then once it's set, just make it secure. There you go. Now repeat that process for the other one. Tap it down to secure it. And then once everything's secure, go ahead and hammer it in place. All right. There we go. Easy, simple keychain. Here's how they turned out once they were all assembled. They look nice and clean. This was a super simple project. By the time I downloaded it, put it to the laser, cleaned it up and assembled it, it really only takes about 5 minutes. It took me longer to set up the camera. So if you want a super fast project to do that is a leather making project, this one is a good one to get started with. Not to mention, my kids are already asking me if they can have them. If you like this project and want to see more, definitely put in the comments what type of projects you want to see next. But I want to thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so that you know when I come out with new videos. Be sure to check out all of my social media channels at Maker Experiment. But I want to thank you for taking the time to watch this video, and I will see you in the next one.